Dear students, today we will deal with the topic menstrual cycle. Dear students, in this menstrual cycle, we will put all discussion through this diagram, and I think that you have to also remember this diagram. You should able to draw the diagram with all labelings because it always comes in the CBSE 12th board examination, and in the chapter human reproduction, the female reproductive system, and within the female reproductive system, menstrual cycle has very important role, and every year 3 to 5 marks questions must be asked from you. So you must remember this entire diagram to draw as well as its labeling. Now, menstrual cycle, this cycle happens within the primates like the monkey, apes and human beings. And this cycle means menstrual cycle has its period, means as soon as the female child retain the age of puberty, means puberty is above 12 or 13 years. As soon as female retain the age of 12 or 13 years, nowadays it starts at the age of 11 also. So due to environmental factors and food habit and lifestyle, but actual the year 13 or 13 years old female baby face such event. Menstrual cycle within the life of the female, that is the onset and stoppage. Onset of menstrual cycle is called as menarche, that is the onset, and final stoppage is called as menopause, that is the stoppage of the menstrual cycle, and that is the onset, means starting of the menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle period is approximately 28 days plus minus 2 days. The period of the entire menstrual cycle is the 28 days plus minus 2 days, means after 28 days, it may 29th or 30th day it will start. Now the entire menstrual cycle is divided into 3 phases. The first is the menstruation, second is the follicular phase, third is the luteal phase, and after that next menstruation will start. And in this menstrual cycle there are 3 structures. The first structure is the uterine event, means the wall of the uterine. The second, ovarian hormonal events, means role of the ovary. And third is the pituitary gland secretions, means the pituitary of the female itself. That is the 3 roles, means 3 structures are involved. Uterine means uterus, ovary and pituitary. 3 structures are involved to control the entire menstrual cycle, and 3 most important phases, that is the menstruation, follicular phase and luteal phase. Now in this diagram, as we know that, or in this diagram, if ovum is not fertilized, next menstrual cycle will start, and if fertilized, may implantation takes place. So here when we are dealing about the menstrual cycle, means That is the one point, that is the onset, and other point is that it is happening periodically. So this is the flow of the menses, and in the menses, that is the degenerated blood, few mucus, dead ovum, dead RBC, and some watery fluid are mixed to form the menses. The period of mens means flow of the blood, it varies from 3 to 5 days, means 3 to 5 days. In some female, maybe 7 days. It depends upon the physical condition of the female. Now, when menses stops, means from first day to 5th day, the menses takes place. If menses stops, next the follicular phase starts, means here follicle, that is the role of the ovary and ovarian hormones. The primary follicle cells going to mature stepwise, that is the secondary, tertiary and mature Graafian follicle cell, and which has the ovum under the influence of estrogen and progesterone. Both hormones are secreted from the, means controlled by the ovary or from the ovary. As soon as, just to put emphasis that as soon as Graafian follicle matures, means the day 15 has come. On the day 15, this is the ovulation day. This is the ovulation. This is ovulation day. Ovulation means release of ovum. The ovum is going to release on 15th day, and at that day the secretion of luteinizing hormone from the pituitary is higher, means high peak. Once again, on the day 14th, rupturing of the Graafian follicle, mature Graafian follicle, release of ovum, and it happens due to higher secretion or high secretion of the luteinizing hormone, and it is controlled by the pituitary. The secretion of the FSH is slightly low than the LH, and here in this event the secretion of estrogen becomes high, means at the time of rupturing of Graafian follicle, two hormones LH and estrogen playing very important role in the ovulation. Now, as soon as ovum is released, the ruptured remains of the mature Graafian follicle is going to convert in the corpus luteum. Cl means corpus luteum. This corpus luteum I have already stated in the previous video recording. That is, this is the yellowish in color, and it will secrete the progesterone. It will secrete progesterone. When it will secrete progesterone, it plays two roles. One role, again formation of uterine wall, that is the endometrium. This is the endometrium. With the influence of progesterone as well as the influence of the ovarian progesterone, again the formation of endometrium wall, means uterine is ready for fresh menstrual cycle, because already 20th days has finished or ended. And second role is that if this ovum is fertilized, into zygote, and zygote will divide into 2 cells, then 4 cells, then 8 cells, then 16 cells, that is the compact morula stage, and then blastula, yani blastocyst. Means blastocyst will get implanted to the wall of endometrium. So that's why there are 2 most important role of progesterone. Once again, formation of endometrium wall for first menstrual cycle and for implantation of the blastocyst. Dear students, if ovum is fertilized, then it will be implanted and no further menstrual cycle process will happen. Means all events of the menstrual cycle will stop as soon as zygote will fertilized. And if not fertilized, then corpus luteum converted into the corpus albicans and get lost in the estroma, which I have already stated. As soon as this luteal phase starts, the third, as soon as luteal phase starts, the secretion of LH and FSH both decreased, recede in this diagram, that is receding, going downward. But after some time, means end of the 28th day, once again higher secretion of SSH, higher secretion of FSH, means this FSH will provoke the formation of Sertoli cells, that is provokes the formation of ovum or follicular cells. Dear students, this endometrium will rupture if the fresh menstrual cycle will start, and again mens will take place or mens will happen. This menstrual cycle indicates that the reproductive period of the female, because menarche at the age of 13, 12, 13, 11, 12, 13, and menopause is around the 50th years of the female. Means as soon as female retain the age of 48, 49, maybe 50, the menopause takes place. Means stoppage, final stoppage of the menstrual cycle. And as soon as final stoppage of the menstrual cycle take place, means the reproductive cycle of the female has stopped. Dear students, in menstrual cycle, we will deal with the following events. As soon as the implantation takes place, these 2 hormones also playing important role in the formation and development of the mammary gland as well as formation of the milk in the female body, which we'll discuss later. Now this is the end of the menstrual cycle.